So can I assume all three of you were comfortable with the last problem? Last problem
Sir,
totally. Yeah, Harisri, go ahead.
Sir, for the first one, if we add like all of them, the total number of birds we have to find. So
Correct.
25 by 100 if we divide,
Okay.
we get 4.
What do you mean by 25 by 100?
The total number of birds for each divided by total number of birds.
Okay.
So I got 4. Then
Okay.
for how much rupees we have to find?
No, it's not for how much rupees. He told you. Okay, let's understand the question first. Okay, first let's get this question right, all of us. Okay, concentrate. If you did not get the answer until now, just concentrate. Let's come back to the question. Now, Harisri, let's talk. A person can buy 20 sparrows for a rupee. What does that mean?
For one sparrow, 20.
What will be the cost of one sparrow?
25, 20 rupees.
20 rupees. How?
It is.
You get 20 sparrows for a rupee. In 1 rupee, you get 20 sparrows. So what will be the cost of one sparrow? You get 20 sparrows. Okay, you get, like, for example, I'm asking you one simple question. In 1 rupee, you get 20 chocolates. So what's the cost of each chocolate?
20.
What happened,
Sorry.
Harisri? I'm saying you get 20. Okay, I'll make it easy for you. You get 2 chocolates in 1 rupee. What will be the cost of one chocolate? That's okay. Don't worry. Tell me, if 20 sparrows cost you 1 rupee, what will be the cost of one sparrow? Can I say it is 1 by 20th of a rupee?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
You will divide 1 rupee divided by 20, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Now, so he told you a pigeon for a rupee. That means cost of one pigeon. Cost of one pigeon is how much? 1 rupee.
1 rupee.
Correct? And he's saying, and a peacock for rupees 5. That means one peacock would cost how much? 5 rupees.
5.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Now tell me, did he tell you how many sparrows does he have? Did he tell you how many sparrows does he have?
No.
Okay. So he did not tell you how many sparrows does he have, but he's saying that find the number of birds of each type he needs to buy if he wants to buy a total of 100 birds and for 100 rupees. What does this statement mean in English? This is an English statement. Tell me mathematical understanding of this. Find the number of birds of each type he needs to buy if he wants to buy 100 birds for 100 rupees. So that he buys at least one bird of each type. So that he buys at least one bird of each type. So that is the condition given. See, always understand in mathematics, there is something called given information and a condition to solve a problem. That's it. You will only find only 2 things. Given data and he'll give you condition to solve a problem. So here it is a condition given. At times there is no condition given. Problem, data, solve. But here he is giving you a condition. What is a condition? He's saying that he's asking you to find out the number of birds of each type. So he's asking you how many sparrows are there, how many peacocks are there, how many pigeons are there, such that you should buy 100 birds. You need to have 100 birds for 100 rupees, and you should have at least one bird of each type. You cannot say that I'll take all sparrows only, I'll get more sparrows. So in 1 rupee, if you get 20 sparrows, in 100 rupees, 100 into 20, you'll get 2,000 birds. Yes or no? But is he asking you to find out 2,000 birds? No. You need to buy only 100 birds in 100 rupees. That is the condition. And you have to solve this condition and get to the answer. Isn't it?
Yes.
So tell me, what did you understand? We'll solve it later.
Sir,
First, what did you understand?
sir, we have to find the number of each bird.
Very good.
Like how many rupees?
Correct. So let's take it that way. So let me take it like this. So for your understanding, let me do it here. There are sparrows, there are pigeons, right? There are what are they? There are peacocks. Okay. So let's assume one sparrow would cost you 1/20th of a rupee. Okay, this is the cost. This is the cost. Pigeon is 1 rupee. Peacock is 5 rupees. Okay. Now we don't know the number of them. How many numbers we don't know. So let me assume the number. Sparrows, let me assume there are X number of sparrows that I have. Let me assume Y number of pigeons. Let me assume Z number of peacocks. Can I assume like this? Is there anything wrong in assuming like this?
No.
No. Now tell me what is given to you in the question. Please observe. Let me erase this piece because this is not relevant, because this was just I was trying to explain you. I'll remove this because I need space on the board. Okay, let me remove this piece. Okay. Now tell me. Okay. Kunal is typing something. Very good, Kunal. I want to listen to the answer. Now, Harisri, tell me, if my cost is 1/20 and the number is X, if there are X number of sparrows I am buying, tell me the cost of actual full cost. Full cost kya hoga if I buy X number of sparrows? Okay, forget about sparrows. Tell me for pigeons. If I buy Y number of pigeons and each pigeon costs me 1 rupee, what will be the cost of total number of pigeons that I buy?
1 by Y.
How will it be 1 by Y? How will it be 1 by Y? Come on, think about it.
Y into 1.
Y into 1. Very good. Okay. Harisri, let me help you. If each chocolate costs you 1 rupee, if I buy 10 chocolates, how much will it cost you?
10.
Harisri, 1 chocolate costs you 1 rupee. If I buy 10 chocolates, how much will it cost? What happened?
10.
10. So if I buy 20 chocolates,
20.
if I buy Y number of chocolates,
I.
Y. So it is Y into 1, that will be Y. So tell me, in the case of peacocks, I am buying Z number of peacocks. Each peacock costs me 5 rupees. So total cost of buying Z peacocks?
Z by 5.
Into Y.
5 into Z. Harisri, are you with us? It will be 5 into Z, right? Each peacock costs you 5 rupees. There are Z peacocks, therefore 5 into Z.
Yes, sir.
Are you with us?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Now tell me, if each sparrow costs you 1/20th, there are X sparrows, therefore X into 1/20. X into 1/20 will be X by 20. So that will be the cost incurred in buying sparrows. Now let's see what is given to us. What is given to us is the condition is there should be 100 birds. So the number of birds is we have X here, we have Y here, we have Z here. It's given that X plus Y plus Z is given to you as 100. Okay? Am I making sense to you? Harishree,
Yes.
am I making sense to you? Very good. If x
Yeah.
plus y plus z is given to you as 100, that is the first condition. And the cost incurred, that is x by 20 plus y plus 5z. Even this value is equal to how much?
100.
Very good. Even that should be equal to 100. Brilliant. The number of birds is also 100. The total cost incurred is also 100. Now these are the two equations we need to solve. Just subtract them. The problem will be solved. Let's subtract. So if I subtract, I'm subtracting 1 minus 2. So x plus y plus z minus x by 20 plus y plus 5z. I'm subtracting. That should be equal to, on the right hand side, 100 minus 100 will be 0. On the right hand side, you can see 100 minus 100 will be 0. Now you can see x minus x by 20. Okay. Now we'll take y and minus y. This is minus of y. This y and that y gets cancelled. So plus, you can see z minus 5z. Z minus 5z. That should be equal to 0. If I further simplify this, you can see x minus x by 20. You can simplify 20 into x is 20x minus x. 19x by 20. If you simplify, this will be 19x by 20 is equal to, on the right hand side you can see this z minus 5z. Z minus 5z will be minus 4z. If minus 4z goes on the right hand side, it will give you 4z. Are you with me until now? Are you with me until now? Everyone, all three of you, are you with me? Yes. So if I further simplify this, you can see x is equal to, this 20 goes in the numerator, 20 into 4 will be 80, 80z by 19, 80z by 19. Now, that is the only relation we have. No, Kunal, that's a wrong answer. That's a wrong answer, Kunal. Concentrate. Let's look at the problem now. Now you got x is equal to 80z by 19. Now, tell me, what is this x? X is the number of what?
The number of birds.
Number of birds. It's not number of birds, it's number of sparrows. Correct?
Yes.
X is number of sparrows. What is y?
Number of pigeons.
Very good. What is z?
Number of peacocks.
Okay. Can number of sparrows or pigeons or peacocks, this values x, y, z, can they be a fraction? Can they be fractions? Can I say I have 2 by 3 pigeons? Can I say this?
Yes.
No, I cannot say. How can you have 2 by 3 pigeons? Can your number of pigeons be 2/3? Can I say
No.
I have half children? Can I say I have a half child? Kunal is saying they are a fraction. Yes, you are seeing that as a fraction, Kunal. Please answer my question which I'm asking you. Can I have half child, 1 by 4th child? Can I have number of children to be in fractions? No. So similarly, here the birds, there have to be 100 birds. That means the sum of this x, the numbers x, y, and z should be positive integers. They should be natural numbers. Yes or no? Do you understand this point? Do you understand this point? All of you, all three of you, do you understand the number has to be a natural number. The number of birds, your x and y, z should belong to natural numbers. Here, your x and y and z should belong to natural numbers. That is a condition that is not told to you, but it is a known fact. Correct? So that means your x is 80z by 19. That means z should be in such a way that it should be divisible by 19. Tell me a number z that is divisible by 19, because 19 is a prime factor and in 80 you don't have 19 as a factor. What is the value of z for which x will become a natural number? For x to be a natural number, your z should be divisible by 19. Tell me a number of value of z for which it will be divisible by 19. Tell me a number. Come on,
Sir,
Madhav.
76.
What?
76.
How? How will 26 be divisible by 19?
Sir, 76.
76.
Yes, sir.
You mean to say 19 forza?
Yes.
Okay. Now, why are you going to such a big number? Tell me the minimum number first. Madhav.
38 or 19.
Better is 19. Now, why don't you tell 19? Why are you going to 38 also? Just say 19, right?
Yes, sir.
So, now let's see if z is 19. If z is 19, what will be the value of x? Very good. If z is 19, what will be the value of x? Your z is 19, 80 into 19 by 19, 19 gets cancelled. In that case, how much is left for you? What will be the value of x? Madhav, come on. How can it be 18? Bhai,
So you say 80 into 19 by 19.
How much is that?
80 or 18?
80. 80.
Sir, then 80.
80, right? Very good. So x will be 80. Now tell me, if z is, you said z is 19, instead of 19, let's assume for a moment if I take z is equal to 38, as you said, the next multiple of 19. If I take z as 38, tell me the value of x. So in that case, it will be 80 into 38 by 19. So 19 ones are, 19 twos are, but x will be 80 into 2 will be 160.
160.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
But can x be 160? Can I take the value of x to be 160? Can I buy
No, sir.
160 birds?
No, sir.
Why I cannot buy 160 birds? Why I cannot buy? You know, guys, you want a solution or you want to learn mathematics? You want a solution? I'll tell you the solution. You want to learn?
Because
Huh?
it is given in the questions, we have to spend 100.
Wonderful. We have to spend only 100 rupees and the number of birds cannot be more than 100. That means the only value of x, only value of z is satisfying this expression will be z is equal to 19. That's the only solution. For z is equal to 19, you're getting x is equal to 80. Once you know this is 19 and this is 80, now can you tell me the value of y? Now, what will be the value of y? Harisri, z is 19. We got to know that this cannot be, z cannot be 18. Z cannot be 38. We got to know that z is the only value that satisfies this expression is z is equal to 19. Therefore, x is equal to 80. Now, if this is 80, this is 19. I'm asking what is the value of y? What is the value of y, Harisri? You know x plus y plus z is 100. If x plus y plus z is 100 and your x is 80 and z is 19, what will be the value of y? Harishree, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I'm solving it.
Okay. You just substitute here. You just substitute y is 19, z is 80. 19 plus 80 will be 99. Therefore, only one value. So y will be equal to 1. Your y will be equal to 1. If you substitute in that, you will get y is equal to 1.
How did you get 1?
Okay, I'll explain. So you got, did you understand why the only value of z is 19? Are you convinced with this 19?
Yeah.
So now z is 19. When you substitute z is equal to 19 here, you got 80 into 19 by 19. 19 gets cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 80. So you know x is equal to 80. You know y z is equal to 19. Z is equal to 19. So now you need value of y. So z is equal to 19. Y is equal to 80. And you know x plus y plus z is 100. So you don't know the value of y. You know x. Put the value of x. 80 plus y you don't know in this expression, the first expression, y plus x is 80, y is y, z is how much? 19. 80 plus y plus 19 should be equal to 100. Sum of the birds should be equal to 100. So x 80 plus y plus 19 is 100. So 80 plus 19 is 99. 99 plus y is equal to 100. Now tell me the value of y. If 99 plus y is 100, what will be the value of y? Harishree?
So 1.
1. So your y will be nothing but 100 minus 99, because this 99, if you transpose to the right hand side, it will be 100 minus 99. Therefore, y is equal to 1. But I need not spend so much of time explaining this, because you should see if this is 19, this is 80. In your mind, you should know that the sum of the birds should be 100. If this is 80, this is 19. That immediately tells you, therefore, your y should be nothing but equal to 1, because 80 plus 19 is 99. 99 plus 1 is 100. So that's it. You got the answer. If you want, you can cross verify. You want to verify? I'll verify it for you. Okay, let me take a different color to verify. Okay, so what is the answer? X is 80. What is 80? 8 is nothing but sparrows. Sparrows, 80 sparrows, 1 by 20. So 80 into 1 by 20, x by 20 is the cost. That means 80 by 20, 4 rupees will be the cost of sparrows plus. What is the cost of pigeons? How many pigeons we have? 1. 1 pigeon, 1 rupee. That will be the cost 1 plus. Now you want number of peacocks is Z, and each peacock costs you 5, and we got Z as 19. 19 Pfizer is 85 rupees. If you cross verify, 85, sorry, 19 Pfizer will be 95, sorry, not 85. 95 plus 1 plus 4, even the cost is becoming 100. Can you see the cost is becoming 100? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.